here's why you can't sign clients. So the first reason why you can't sign clients is because your offer basically sucks and it's like not really solving a real painful problem. And even if it solves like a real painful problem, but like it's not solving better than everyone else. And in your space, in your niche, there are a lot of people that can solve that problems for your clients, so that's why they go with them. But if you can solve it better than everyone else, then you like pretty much can sign clients. And if like your offer basically sucks, and if you want to make your offer very like valuable, good and amazing and compelling, then all you have to do is basically research your market and in like deep and detail, and then basically make your offer. And your offer is like the main thing, it's like the main stimulus in your it's the main thing in like your client acquisition system. And if you like have not got the right offer, then your client acquisition system will be very weak. And I'm saying this because like I work and I've helped like a lot of people in like service based businesses and like coaches, consultant and agency owners get clients. And I can tell you that like your offer is always the main thing, and it's the main core component of any successful client acquisition system. And another reason why you are like unable to sign clients is because you don't know like how to sell. And this is a big one. Like I've met a lot of people who like have the potential and like can solve like the real painful problem for their clients better than everyone else, but they like don't know how to communicate the value, and they basically don't know how to sell things. And a lot of people struggle with sales, and they basically, I've seen like a lot of people avoid sales calls, and that's not a thing that you should do if you want to get clients. And basically people sabotage themselves unconsciously by not taking sales calls and in sales. And like people have wrong assumptions and belief system around selling. And basically they even if like they are on sales calls, they are in like a cost based thinking. They like don't get their prospect in like results based thinking. And basically they like don't know how to basically communicate the value that you are offering. And another reason why you can't sign clients is because you are like not increasing the bar of confidence and pain. And I've talked about this in my previous in my like one video, the exchange catalyst. You can like look for it. And it basically is every human being take, like if you want someone to take action, then you have to basically increase the bar of pain and the bar of confidence. And catalyst is something that speed up the reaction of chemicals and stuff like that. And so the exchange catalysts are basically pain and confidence, and if you increase these two bars, then you are basically going to make the prospect take any action, whether it's signing you as a like basically you signing them as a client, or basically getting on sales calls and converting them. And I think from first principles I've broken it down. There are like really three systems and three components and three part of every agency and every service based business. First one is basically acquisition, and the second one is basically delivery, not delivery. Second one is conversion process, conversion system, and the third one is delivery system. So all you've got to do is basically make these three systems best. Like the first one, acquisition system, and you have to like have a client acquisition system through which you are getting clients. And if you are like not getting clients, then basically you don't like have a strong client acquisition system. And if you like don't have any client acquisition system, then like how are you going to get clients? It just does not make any sense, and it's very illogical, and it's like very irrational. And the next one is conversion system. So you see this problem all the time, like you like don't have like good processes and systems in place to basically convert that prospect in client into client. And that's a lot of people mess up. Like they can get attention, and they can they struggle to convert that attention into basically cash money and basically client. But And after that, if you even convert them as client, and what you have to do is to basically solve their real painful problem. And if you have not solved their problem, then you are like not going to retain that client for a long period of time. And I think a lot of the time in this space right now, that basically retention beats acquisition. And if you have like clients previously, and if you have not like retained them, then like acquisition is going to hard for you, and retention is like the key. And the best agencies that I know like don't run too much ads and don't do too much marketing. And the best coaches I know, like they are like not like marketing and ads guy. And the best consultants I know are like not too much marketing and ads guy. Basically they like have good retention systems, and they like have word of mouth and referrals that, and people have basically talk about their services, that how much good it is. And if you are like not basically getting clients, I would say to just like increase the bar of pain and confidence. And if you like even increase the bar of pain in your prospect's mind, but don't increase the bar of confidence, then you are not going to basically convert that person into client. And I have broken down it to first principle, and like it's the core fundamental truth, and you cannot further argue from it. And we are listening from there, right? And like a lot of people in this space are in problems. And like there are, just like I want to say this very clearly, is that niches like don't saturate it like client acquisition methods do. And like scripts, and basically people copy each other. That's why like a lot of people think that niche is saturated, but I think niches like never ever got saturated. Like as long as there are problems in your niche and you can solve them, then like the niche is not saturated. Okay, you have the opportunity to basically solve that problem. And like I see this all the time, like in agency space. And like a lot of people think that, oh, there's too much competition, and like I can't compete with like a lot of people. But understand that niches don't saturate, offers do, client acquisition methods do. And things like script tactics and basically techniques like and acquisition channels do. And not as long as there are problems in your niche, you can and you can solve them, then the niche is like not saturated. Okay, and you can get clients. And you have to like build client acquisition systems, and it should be like consistent, reliable, predictable, and automated. And if you don't have these four things, then you are basically guessing things, and you are hoping and praying, which is not a good strategy to make a living as a service provider. Okay. And even if like there are people in pain, they like have real problems, and you just like can't basically you are like not increasing the bar of confidence in them. And it's just a lot of mess. And have to you have to like basically like have like exceptional services. And I know like it's hard to like face competition in the start, but like I promise you, like there are people who have like real painful problems that you can solve, and you are going to make a lot of money if you like actually try something new, something different. And like just my favorite strategy for like doing anything in business and in life is basically do like what see like what everyone else is doing, and just do like exact opposite, or like I will take like a little turn like 180-degree, and I will do what everyone else is like doing of like 180-degree opposite. And that's how I'm like able to get really good results. And it can work in like dating also. Like I'm not getting into this, but it can work in like everything. And the reason like why you can't sign is because a lot of you guys like sound the same. Like can tell you that if you are a service provider, then a lot of service provider just like look like and hair like same. And you should basically answer this one question that I'm going to ask. So why should I go with you? Like you all sound the same. And if you look at like any service provider, they all look same. And if you like look at one gym and then you look at another gym, then like these two gyms are like not so much similar. But like if you look at one agency and then you look at another agency, they are like very similar and they all sound the same. And it's just that's why like agency space and service provider space is like very much saturated. People think, but it's not, because as long as there are problems, the niche is never ever saturated. And there are opportunities for you to solve that problem and basically sign clients and make money. And you see like this with restaurant, if you like see one restaurant and then you see another restaurant, these two restaurants are going to be different, okay, but the same is like it's like weird for like agency owners and basically service providers. I think we all look and sound the same, right? And you have to like differentiate yourself, and that's like how you stand in this competitive marketplace. And I just want to end this video with saying that niches do not saturate it, offers do, client acquisition methods do, and as long as there are people in pain and people have problems in your niche, the niche is not saturated and there are opportunities for you to basically solve their real painful problem and sign them as a client.